This is an update for ReMax. On this week's update, the Levers crew made progress with the lights and ceiling fans installation. Guys are also working on the body filling and sanding of our window and door trims. The crew also completed the shower flooring tiles installation for the master bedroom. Guys are to commence with the shower walls tiles installation. We also had progress with the countertop installation for the kitchen area on our island. This is ReMax update.